Looking to sip on coffee while soaking in good vibes? Here are 5 must-visit, delightful coffee spots in Goa where your cup of coffee comes with a side of charm, character and a whole lot of soul. Bodega in Altinho. Tucked away in an Indo-Portuguese bungalow in the quiet locality of Altinho in Panjim, Bodega feels like a secret garden for coffee and art lovers. Set within the Sunapran Center for the Arts, this cafe's open courtyard, veranda surroundings, and the whitewashed walls make it perfect for an unhurried afternoon. Whether you're diving into a book or a deep conversation, bet the moment with a strong brew or a gourmet sandwich or something freshly baked and delicious. Arjuna Panchim. Located on the busy streets of 18 June Road in Panjim, Arjuna brings the laid-back beachside spirits right into the city. Think smooth Arabic cortados, cold brews, turmeric latte, and the best part is that you get a choice of milk, right from oat milk to vegan plant-based milks. At Arjuna, you can enjoy your coffee in a calm ambience featuring and the unmistakably Arjuna vibes far from the hustle and bustles of the city. Caf Fica Panjim. Caf Fica is a serene slice of Scandinavian simplicity where minimalistic interiors, warm lighting, and indoor greens sets a calm tone. Whether you like your coffee black, white, or iced, Fika has just brewed the match your mood. It's the perfect spot to work, journal, or simply pause and enjoy your own company because here, time gently slows down. Blue Brick Wall Cafe, Miramar. Thanks to its striking blue interiors and the cozy artsy vibe, the Blue Brick Wall Cafe in Miramar is a favorite for coffee lovers who enjoy their brews with a side of conversation, comfort food, and a little creativity. From creamy cappuccinos to a shot of espresso and a hearty breakfast, it's your go-to for both work and unwinding sessions. Mirador Panchim. Located near the famous Panjim church, Miradouro brings the taste of freshly brewed lattes to the heart of Panjim. Popular for their smooth and flavorful Italian coffee, this cafe serves lattes that are elegantly crafted to cater the perfect balance of espresso and milk. The cozy minimalist space combines old-world charm with a modern touch, making it a great spot to relax. Whether you're stopping by in the morning or taking a break during the day, Mirador's lattes are definitely worth trying. Goa's coffee culture has something for every kind of coffee enthusiast. So the next time you're craving your caffeine fix, you know exactly where to go to.